I'm actually planning to get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of all this. Time for something new. Change it for a change. So yeah, like just get rid of that side. Lovely car. And this side, get rid of those. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm actually getting ready to leave out and head to Louisville once again and break down a bed for my mom. Hey, what are family for? They like to help out. So I'm going to go over there, help break down her bed and get it all ready for her move. And I think I need to wipe down some of these windows in my car because they're dirty. Got my coffee, so yeah, I'm at the Starbucks. I'm not about the Starbucks life, so I'm about what's best. Starbucks is too sugary. Yeah. Oops. Dripping everywhere. Still deciding whether I should go ahead and go for the X pipe. Install the X pipe in my car, bounce off the sound, then go get dyno tune, or go get dyno tune and then do the X pipe later. So got a little time to figure this all out. Beautiful out there. Just got the key to the apartment for my brother and go break down this bed. So many stairs. She looks beautiful. Sexy, sexy as hell. rid of these. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of them now. I'm gonna do something new. Try something different. I know what decal I'm gonna put on, but I'm gonna find out a decal I'm gonna stick on there. I'll probably leave it blank. Don't know, undecided. We'll figure it out. I'm gonna take my brother to this smoke shop.
I know they like this. Everyday party until the end of the summer. I probably have my feet up with a drink, smoke weed with all my brothers. Don't worry about the thing, I got it covered. Laced up, looking like a good day to go and get this cake up. Can only play around for a minute or two. Sit and wait, watch the moon, blow it up like balloons. What it is, cracking jokes on each other against. Don't be falling through, I know you think about giving in. I got the trees blowing in the wind with the clouds blowing over sunny days. Where you been? No one left to talk to, I really had a last for you.
Just not arrived at FedEx. It's gonna drop package off that my wife gave me in the back. Alright. What this shit is like. Alright. Now walk
There's a certain type of mystic in the air when you're next to me, so bright and sunny. Early morning just let me hang. Can call you up and it will make you love me. I'm floating. To the sun, I got it duly noted. And I can really focus. I hope you really notice. See if I hold it back, I'll end up exploding. You don't wanna see that. I see you like it's gold. See it's ready to go. I know you really like my CD. I probably could do it better, but life hasn't been that easy. I know that you really like it. Only get a few more hours, so I'ma try this. Staying up all night, so loud, just like the sirens. Hold up, need to take a little bit of more time to roll up, so show love.
That was quick. Actually, without those side decals, the car feels 10 pounds lighter. And close to home, feel the difference, feels lighter. I'm loving it. Still gonna put something else there. Figure out what I like. Let's figure out what I like. Alright guys, I'm going ahead and end the vlog off here. I really hope y'all enjoy this. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on your notification. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. And until next time guys,